So, Flare's, I suppose, integrated into, I think, where the narrative is going. We're building blockchain for data. As use cases get more demanding and require more data and more secure data, especially as regulators start looking at the industry and they start saying, well, is this data source, is it valid? Is this a good way to deliver it and all that kind of stuff? We think that we fit very well into sort of where the industry is going. We're also sort of within Flare, we have an extremely strong AI team. And we have an entire AI protocol that we released a paper on 2 days ago.